Fishing is an important part of northern Michigan. It attracts anglers from all over the country year-round. But you may be surprised to learn that most of the fish here were not born in the lake. So where did they come from? They were born here at the Jordan River National Fish Hatchery. Here, science, technology, engineering, and math, called S.T.E.M, are used every day to keep Michigan's lakes stocked with trout.
My name is Denise Johnson. I'm the assistant manager at the Jordan River National Fish Hatchery. The hatchery was originally built to reestablish lake trout in the Great Lakes because when the Welland Canal was opened up around Niagara Falls, it opened up what was a natural barrier to sea lamprey in the Great Lakes. So now the sea lamprey could get around the natural barrier and enter the Great Lakes. Just about everything we do is based on math, believe it or not. The basics of what we do is raise fish. So what we need is an idea of what size the fish are, and which is the number of fish per pound. And from there we can figure out how much fish feed to feed the fish, to establish our flows, how much water we're getting through the hatchery so that we know the fish are getting enough oxygen. We used it to establish our water treatment. You know, how much chemical do we need to add to the water to treat it before it's returned back to the river. The effluent system is actually the newest and most complex system we have on the hatchery. But some of the old technology, such as the transportation systems for the trucks, our trucks, we have the tanks, they have to have aerators on them to keep the water circulating, and we have liquid oxygen that we pump into the trucks to keep the fish alive while they're moving. And the trucks go to the Baird, which is our fish distribution boat, and it's also a fish assessment boat. So it's got several different systems on it for transporting fish and also for assessing fish in the future.
So what would happen to the Great Lakes without S.T.E.M? Our beautiful shorelines would be empty. Safe to say, S.T.E.M is everywhere, even in our water. So study S.T.E.M and save the world!